So Google is making moves. Let's go ahead and talk about it. This article is being posted here by GizmoChina.com, and they talk about how foldable phones may be required to comply with Google's Pacific hardware requirements. This is kind of interesting. So Samsung was the first to announce a foldable phone back in 2019. And last year we have seen many foldable phones like from brands like Oppo, Motorola, Huawei. I literally said it correctly last video and I don't know how to say it. It Little rice is what it actually translates to. Anyway, that also offers foldable devices, but only limited to China. Foldable phones come with their advantages as well as drawbacks, and brands have been improving these devices every year. The phones are expensive to make. It's a long-term investment for buyers, and nobody wants to get damaged. No one wants them to get damaged. Now with a new development, seems to be a shining light for foldable phone enthusiasts. Foldable phones may have to comply to this new hardware requirement. At the heart of foldable phones is a hinge mechanism. It allows the device to be opened and folded. The hinge is quite durable, but like most things, it loses rigidity over a 2 to 5 year period of time, assuming that the user keeps using the device daily. Now, coming to the main topic, Michelle Rodman revealed on his Patreon account that Google will require hardware quality standards for the foldable phones. The search giant is planning to launch a foldable quality review process for brands. OEMs will have to complete a Google questionnaire and send sample devices to the platform holder for closer inspection. Brands often rate the number of folds for the devices. Google will require all foldable phones to have at least 200,000 folds and unfolds. This is in line with Samsung's claims for their Galaxy Z Fold devices. However, some brands like Oppo tout a larger hinge light for devices with 400,000 folds. And I believe Samsung's also 400,000 folds. This is quite high considering 200,000 folds and unfolds would probably last around 5 years considering it's used 100 times a day every single day. This is interesting. Okay, so this is very, very interesting. This is Google setting up quality control for foldable devices that are released from China. And I'm not just China, across the whole world. They're pretty much saying, listen, you're not going to put crap out there and try to scam the consumer, and they give all their money, and then you give them a crap product back. Which is good. I mean, I didn't think Google, of all companies, would be the company to do this. But you know what? I got to give them props because that's going to help out the foldable phone industry. This is going to make it so that we don't have crap products. And again, it's going to make a lot of these companies a lot more successful. And as it says right here, Google will require OEMs to deliver 2 major OS updates and 3 years of security patches for foldable phones. This is kind of a letdown since the devices are quite expensive. There is no other major requirements like uses of ultra-thin glass for foldables. So this means that Microsoft would have to give us 3 to 4, what is it, 3 to 4 years? Yeah, 3 years of security patches. Wow. That'd be interesting. No, Microsoft's not going to give us any more foldable phones. But if they did, they would have to give us 3 years, and we would get 3 years of Surface Duo updates and stuff like that. So, again, this is why I love this industry. This is why I love these foldable phones. Whether you have an Oppo Fold, if you have a Galaxy Z Fold 5 like I have right here, I love how much this industry is improving, changing, and getting better, because all this does is help the consumer, and you always gotta love that. So tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.